Hey, hope everyone's having a great day. Today's video is what to eat on a hike on a plant-based diet. And I recently did a 9-mile hike up to Green Lakes, which is a really beautiful hike near my house. And I started off with this coconut water. That was kind of midway through the hike. And then kept going. It was an absolutely gorgeous day. If you're ever near Bend, Oregon, I recommend this as one of the hikes you try out. It's called Green Lakes. And made it up there. And I had blueberries, blackberries, grapes, and plums. And then just after that, I had a peanut butter and jelly sandwich on whole grain bread. I had some dates, some seasoned almonds, and a little bit of dark chocolate. Then made our way down, loving the sunshine, the nature. Love to go on hikes on the weekends. One of my favorite things to do. There we are. So thanks for watching. Make sure to check out my plant-based recipe ebook I have in the description box with some great recipes. Subscribe for more. Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Leave me comments. Let me know your thoughts. Hope everyone has a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.